Hey guys, this is Manisha here, your journal friend, and today I have taken a different role altogether. Actually, I have started this thing, driving car. So let's see how I get started. So I'll start the car. So this is my recent regular morning session. I have started. Okay, so do I try for the second gear? Okay, so first clutch, which is he has taught me is
first race.
Okay. So the second gear I have to give a little race, which is speeding it up. Okay. And then the second gear. Yeah.
Hope you're aiming right. If I'm on site, I'm not afraid to die. How you know? I'll be dressed in white. White light.
So actually I'm little rather stand worried and this is my I think 5th day, right? Is it our 5th or 6th day? 6th day, yeah. So I've just learned some basics, which is ABC, accelerator, then brake, and then gear. Clutch. Clutch. Have to come a little close as you understand. I mean, I'm still new and on my 6th day it's not so easy actually. Yeah. I mean, legs are controlled by him specifically. I'm just doing it sometimes. So this is my morning session now, like driving car. I mean, learning how to drive car, and then now the turning. He has told me just try to cut it short. The closer you go, the closely you can take a turn. Okay, a person is turning. Yo. Guys, you can actually do it. Right. You just need little patience, little love, and little passion for it, so you can just take a turn now.
I'll be dressed in white. White light.
I hope it was a good turn. You need to check properly when there is a divider that if any car is coming from the other side.
So cross your T's and